The 2022 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge by MANSORY is a luxury SUV that exudes elegance and refinement. This limited edition model has been designed and built by the renowned car customization company, MANSORY, known for their attention to detail and high-quality craftsmanship. The exterior of the Cullinan Black Badge is sleek, blacked-out design, with a matte black finish on the body, grille, and rims. The front fascia has been redesigned to give the SUV a more aggressive look, while the 22-inch rims add to the vehicle's sporty appearance. The front fascia of the car is adorned with the signature blacked-out grille of the Black Badge series, and the front and rear bumpers are also redesigned to give the car a more assertive stance. The blacked-out design theme is carried on to the exterior lighting as well, with the headlights and taillights featuring a dark tint. The car sits on massive 22-inch wheels, which are also finished in black. The blacked-out design theme is not just for show, but also serves a functional purpose, as it helps to reduce the solar load on the car, thereby keeping the cabin cooler. Under the hood, the 2022 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge by MANSORY is powered by a 6.75-liter V12 engine that delivers 600 horsepower and 950 newton-meters of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive, providing a smooth and powerful driving experience. The engine is mated to a ZEF 8-speed automatic transmission that sends power to all four wheels via the company's all-wheel drive system. The car can accelerate from 0-60 miles per hour in just 5.0 seconds and can reach a top speed of 174 miles per hour. The car also comes equipped with a sport-tuned exhaust system that produces a deep, throaty growl when the accelerator is pressed. The exhaust system is made of high-grade stainless steel and features quad tips. Inside, the cabin is opulent, with premium materials and finishes used throughout. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather, and the dashboard and door panels feature a unique wood insert accents that adds an extra touch of luxury to the overall feel of the car. The Cullinan Black Badge also comes equipped with advanced technology features, such as a high-resolution display screen and a premium sound system. The car also comes equipped with an array of advanced safety systems such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. The car also features a night vision camera that helps the driver to see in low-light conditions and a heads-up display that projects important information onto the windshield. In summary, the 2022 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge by MANSORY is a luxury SUV that combines refinement, sportiness, and advanced technology. The exterior design is sleek, with a blacked-out theme that gives the car a sporty look. The car is powered by a powerful V12 engine that delivers smooth and powerful performance. The cabin is opulent, with premium materials and finishes used throughout. The car also comes equipped with advanced safety systems that help to keep the occupants safe. Thank you for watching. Follow our channel to see the latest and most exclusive cars.